Hello and welcome to Build Your Own 3D Printer part 32. It's getting quite good now because still got that motor missing there, still got, I think it's 29 or something issue missing. I've still got some bits to fit in for that motor, but I've still got some electrical parts, and that's the adapter, so it's all going good. A bit there, so it's all going good. Have a quick look at them. Well, that looks like a rod with a bit and some grease, because that says apply grease to the thread rod, and it's got shimmer hoof dye Guangfi or whatever, that's it, again or something, in German anyway. Oh look at this. I'm into biking, and look, it says 3D athletic, 3D printing gets sporty. Don't know how strong that frame is. That would break on me, I imagine. 3D, and there's your web access code. Show you at the end. 3D athletics, all sporting good companies are joining the front runners in the 3D technology revolution by developing customised equipment to help athletics achieve their highest potential. Looks like a sports bag. Oh, it's like a shoe. Underneath of the shoe. By computering an athletics motion while running above bottom right, so maybe that one and that one. Sorry, above bottom right maybe. Sports footwear company New Balance can analyse foot pressures and stresses to create tailor-made footwear. The 3D print soles of New Balance track shoes above top right. Oh, maybe it's talking about that one. 3D printed night vapor hypergelic clears above left. Oh, okay. Now that you can tailor-made protection, very essential when you go out on your bike. 3D technology is revolutioning the sports industry. Oh look, here's that bike. Oh god. Poetry in motion. In 2004, Australian industrial designer James Novak produced a 3D printed bike frame that was custom made to fit its body measurements. The eye-catching lightweight design is just a prototype, but Novak is carrying out further research and using 3D printing to make finished frames. I mean, that looks pretty. Oh, I don't know how strong that is, because I'll take my bike here then everywhere when I go on my bike. I don't know how long that would last me. I'll take my bike off-roading, I do, because I've got a mountain bike. I don't know how long that would last me. More. That's about the 3D Dutch windmill project. I had troubles doing that last time. Oh dear, I don't know how well I'm going to do this. It looks like this is for the... Okay, well, this is starting looking complicated. Okay. Top section. Okay. binder jetting. Okay, something about, what's this? Aston Martin BDF, the James Bond film Skyfall, future detailed plastic 1.3 scale doubles of the original 1960 Aston Martin vehicle. Binder jetting technology. This is the Z-axis screw rod. That's going to be so I've got the grease. Oops. So that grease, I don't know, I wonder if I can do that. I don't think I can do that because I'm still waiting on that motor. I don't think I can do this bit. Oh, set of dominoes. This is the web design. This is for the this is for the web access code. Set of build up project, the design files. Set of dominoes part 2. A Celtic necklace. It's a domino Celtic necklace. Two-tone whistle. Desktop crate. Next bit, the heater plate. Okay, so let's go back to this. Let's just cut this out anyway. So basically that screws into there. And then that fixes into there like that. Oh, because I've still got that, and then that bit so basically that goes like that, and then see I can't do any more because I've got a motor missing which is supposed to go there, like that there, and that bit is supposed to go, I think, like for that bit there, as you can see in there, got 52 seconds, so do it very quickly. See, I think that's supposed to fit into there, but I've got, and then that bit fits into the motor, so that's about it. Can't really do much more, so that's supposed to fit into there, and the motor, as I said, is gone, so that's about it. That's very quickly done. So that's what it look like. So see you next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.